Hi everyone, I am Ajay Jadhav. So today's date is 17 August 2022 and today's Viva topic is feature of Java 8. So friends, we all know about Java language history. So the Java language launched in 1991. So the from 1991 in Java language developer many features with their new Java version. So there are many versions of Java from Java Development Kit and Alpha and Beta to nowadays version like Java 5, Java 6, Java 7 and Java 8 and many versions. So today we will discuss about feature of Java 8. So friends, Java 8 is one of the important and most used version in use version. So in Java 8 there are many changes in Java programming language. So Java 8 is developed for reducing length of code, and second one is complexity and code view in a simple code. So Java 8 launched in March 2014, and Java 8 version there are many features like lambda expression, function interfaces, default and static method, and parallel array sorting and many more, or for each method. So now we discuss some features. First one is a lambda expression. So lambda expression is one of the most important feature in Java 8. So we can use lambda expression and a functional interface combine, and in a lambda expression we cannot need to write unnecessary class. So that means reduce the length of code, and lambda words is one of the mathematical symbol, and that is used for performance some operation, and lambda expression features already defined in other languages. So default and static method. So before Java 8 there is only have abstract methods, and all the abstract methods of interface must be overridden in implementing class. Now in Java 8 there is a default and static method, and we can create interfaces for implementation. So next one is a method and constructor references. So reference used for refer method, so function of interfaces, and constructor reference used for refer constructor reference. So that's all about today's topic, feature of Java 8. So thank you guys.